Assalamu alaikum. This is Shoaib. Welcome back to another new video. So today I am with a little boy, and I was going by the road, and I met him suddenly, and he said to me that I wants to make video with you. So in today's video, I am going to ask him some question about in English and how he can learn English step by step. All right. So there is some noise. Okay. So what's your name?
My name is Hanif.
His name is Hanif. And what class are you reading?
Class 2.
তাহলে কিভাবে বলতে হবে? I am reading in class 2.
2.
কি বলতে হবে?
I am reading in class 2.
Yes. So what's your future dream? Like what's you want to be? Like you want to be doctor, engineer, or what player? What do you want to be in the future? কি খেলার? Messi the Neymar?
Messi.
Oh, he wants to be Messi in the future. Okay, guys. So thank you so much, and I'm trying to motivated them by making videos or speaking English with them. So thank you so much.